Imagine you have a big collection of article. Now you do not understand this big article at all. In this case, you can use ChatGPT Explain to understand the complex topics by breaking them down into simple pieces and make it easy to understand language. Whether you're trying to learn something new, understand a difficult concept, or explain an idea to someone else, ChatGPT Explain will make it easier to get to the heart of the matter. Now, how to use ChatGPT Explain? For example, you are curious about how Wi Fi works? Then you just ask ChatGPT, "Can you explain how Wi Fi works in simple words?" After this, ChatGPT will make this concept easy to understand. Another example: imagine you do not understand an article in your textbook. Now you take a picture of that article. Then you upload that picture on ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT, "Please explain this and make it easy to understand for a 10 years old kids." Then ChatGPT will give you the desired results. Also, ChatGPT can provide you clear examples on any topics. For this, first you have to write the topic on the ChatGPT text box. Then you have to write this prompts. "Please give me example about the topic so that it is easy to understand." Then ChatGPT will give the results. So this way, you can use ChatGPT Explain for simplifies complex ideas. Thanks for watching.